How to use Temu's referral program. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use referral program on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Temu application in your device. And now, if you have not logged in using your login details, simply log in first. Now to use the referral program, simply choose any one of the item in your feed. Once you open it, simply share the link of that item to any one of your friend. Now, if that particular item has the offer, like to share it and then you will be able to gain a discount or certain amount of money, then simply use that feature. So that's it. That is how easily you can use referral program on Temu application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.